Dancehall, a vibrant and influential musical genre originating from Jamaica, has long been a cultural beacon of energy, rhythm, and social commentary. It thrives on live performances, where artists connect directly with fans, creating an electrifying atmosphere. However, poor organization at dancehall concerts has emerged as a persistent problem that threatens the genre's growth, reputation, and global appeal. Dancehall stage shows have brought Jamaicans happiness, unforgettable moments, entertainment, and economic opportunities across the island. With Sting on the horizon and Vybz Kartel's Freedom Street drawing closer, we have to seriously discuss how major dancehall shows have harmed the local dancehall industry. Now, I'm not an avid dancehall concert goer, but I don't see the sense of going to one. Why should I be at an event for almost 12 hours, standing in a crowd hoping to see my favorite artist perform for 15 minutes if I'm lucky?
There's a lot of artists. Mm-hmm. There's a lot of artists that speed. So me, I have to keep it Sting. By 10 minutes, you have to sting them and leave them. Mm. And you have to depart by your time. And we have, as I said, the traffic.
Oh, wait, Heavy, you said the artists them have got only perform for 10 minutes?
10 or 15 minutes.
One of the most glaring issues with dancehall concerts is their notorious reputation for late start times. Events frequently begin hours after the advertised schedule, frustrating fans who arrive on time. This delay is often caused by poor planning, late arrival of performers, or technical issues that were not addressed beforehand. The impact of such delays extends beyond mere inconvenience. It fosters a perception of unprofessionalism, damaging the credibility of the organizers and the genre itself. Fans are less likely to trust future events, leading to reduced ticket sales and waning enthusiasm. For international audiences, this lack of punctuality reinforces negative stereotypes about Caribbean cultural events, hampering efforts to elevate dancehall to a global stage. Dancehall concerts are known for their high-energy performances, with sound playing a central role in the experience. However, inadequate sound systems, technical glitches, and insufficient sound checks frequently plague these events. Poor sound quality makes it difficult for audiences to enjoy the music and for artists to deliver impactful performances. Such technical failures reflect poorly on the genre, giving the impression that dancehall is not a serious or professional industry. Additionally, this frustrates both fans and artists, creating a disconnect that weakens the artist-fan relationship. In extreme cases, fans may leave the venue early or demand refunds, resulting in financial losses for promoters and a damaged reputation for the genre. Another common issue is the lack of a coherent event schedule. Promoters often cram too many artists into one lineup, leading to rushed performances, long wait times, or even skip sets. In some cases, headlining acts perform late into the night or morning, by which time many fans have already left. This disorganization affects the overall concert experience, leaving attendees dissatisfied. It also diminishes the value of individual performances, as artists cannot showcase their talent effectively in rushed or chaotic conditions. Upcoming artists in particular suffer as they rely on these events to gain exposure. If fans leave disappointed, they may choose not to attend future concerts, further alienating the audience from dancehall events. Safety is another critical area where poor organization negatively impacts dancehall concerts. Inadequate or poorly trained security personnel often fail to manage crowds effectively, leading to incidents such as overcrowding, fights, or theft. In some cases, the lack of proper entry controls allows unauthorized individuals to disrupt the event. These security lapses create an unsafe environment, discouraging fans, especially those unfamiliar with dancehall culture, from attending future events. High-profile incidents at concerts can also attract negative media attention, reinforcing harmful stereotypes about violence and disorder within the dancehall community. Such associations make it more difficult for the genre to gain broader acceptance and attract sponsorships or partnerships with mainstream brands. Many dancehall promoters prioritize hype and star power over delivering a well-organized concert experience. They focus on booking high-profile artists, while neglecting the logistical details that ensure the event runs smoothly. This approach often leads to chaotic backstage conditions, long delays, and subpar performances. While hype may attract initial attention, it cannot compensate for a poorly executed event. Fans who attend such concerts expecting a memorable experience are often left disappointed, damaging their perception of the genre. Over time, this erodes the loyalty of even the most dedicated fans, weakening the support base that dancehall relies on to thrive. The issues are not just isolated inconveniences, they have far-reaching consequences for the genre. Poorly organized concerts perpetuate a cycle of distrust and dissatisfaction among fans, reducing attendance and revenue. This directly impacts artists, many of whom depend on live performances as a primary source of income and exposure. As a result, it is no surprise major or minor dancehall events sometimes struggle to gain sponsorships due to local brands or companies being afraid to be associated with a poorly run product. Moreover, these problems undermine efforts to globalize dancehall. As the genre seeks to expand its reach, it must compete with other musical styles that offer more polished and professional live experiences. Concerts are often the first point of contact for international audiences, and a negative experience can deter them from exploring the genre further. To address these challenges, dancehall organizers must adopt a more professional approach to event management. This includes ensuring events start on time by coordinating with artists, sound technicians, and vendors well in advance. Prioritizing high-quality sound systems, lighting, and stage setups to enhance the audience experience. Also, all performers must be present for rehearsals. This clause should be added to his or her contract so that when the artist is performing in front of patrons, it is seamless with little to no incidents. Providing accurate and timely information about event details, including any changes to the lineup. Employing trained security personnel to ensure a safe environment for attendees and performers. No entourage on stage or near the stage area. No other artist should enter the stage without the performer's knowledge or invitation. Avoiding overbooked lineups and scheduling performances to maximize audience engagement. By implementing these measures, dancehall can deliver memorable and professionally executed events that reflect the genre's true potential. Over the years, I've seen dancehall artists put on their own shows. Alkaline's New Rules and Popcorn's Unruly Fest are great examples. This has helped dancehall concert goers to see their favorite artists performing their catalog for close to an hour. It also includes guest artists on the show having more time to perform since the card or lineup isn't congested with artists fighting for time to perform, which creates a more concise and entertaining show for the patrons. Unless the police don't lock it off. Not every artist has the means or resources to put on his own show, and with the Noise Abatement Act still being enforced by the police, I believe it is time for the government to create entertainment zones where the act can be amended to enable specific locations to provide entertainment beyond 2 a.m. Not every artist has the resources to rent a large stadium or attract sponsors in helping to put on a stage show. A solution to this is government or a private entity to build theaters or auditoriums ranging from 2,000 to 4,000 seats, where plays, concerts, and convention takes place. A dancehall or reggae artist can easily have 2 shows on Fridays or weekends for 2 or 3 nights. These shows would help an artist tremendously by improving his performance on stage and having the ability to interact more closely with his fan base. I believe Jamaican music and the economy would benefit from this. The truth is, dancehall concerts hold immense cultural and economic significance, serving as a vital platform for artists and a celebration of the genre's energy and creativity. However, poor organization threatens to overshadow these positives, damaging the genre's reputation and alienating fans. By addressing the logistical and professional shortcomings of its live events, dancehall can reclaim its standing as a global musical powerhouse, ensuring its continued growth and success.